Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tenysiah, if you guys don't already know, and today I'm creating a cute date night look for not really a date night. We're actually gonna take the kids out, but hey, we got 3 of them, so this is the best that date night can be sometimes. So I'm gonna create a look for that. So I have this new palette here, guys, and it's really cute and pretty. It's good for taking on the go. And I'm just gonna go into the chocolate color there, and I'm basically gonna dust that all over my lid and make that be kind of like my base color. And guys, I don't know if I've mentioned this to you guys yet, but we are going to be going to Mexico soon, so I'm so excited for that. I'm just really excited for that. I'm also kind of nervous because this will be like the first time I'm meeting like all of his family, so that's gonna be a little bit, I don't know, a little bit different because of the language difference. Like, we're all English and French here, and his family mostly doesn't speak English, so it'll be fun. It'll be fun. It'll be a cool experience, and we're bringing all 3 kids, so it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be really nice. I didn't even say anything, but while I'm talking about Mexico, I did jump into another palette. It's my old Cargo Cosmetics palette. I decided that I wasn't gonna go all golden with this look. I wanted to put a little green in there to bring out my eyes. So I took a shimmery green from that palette, and I'm just dusting. Well, I'm not dusting. I'm really packing that into my lid. And then you see me just take that same chocolate color, and I'm just going over it where the crease meets so that the 2 colors are blended in together and there's more definition in my crease. So yeah, guys, in my, not the last video, but the video I made before that, I was telling you guys how I was going to the spa with my 2 girlfriends for one of my girlfriend's birthday. And yeah, so we went to the spa and it was absolutely amazing. Like, we decided like this has to be like a regular thing for us. Like, we're all mothers now. We need, like, as a mom, you need that time to yourself sometimes, that's just without the kids, without the husband. And I feel like as like mothers of young children, it's so hard because of course our children are still young, so they're always with us. Like, so I find it's necessary just to have that time for yourself. But it was good to kind of catch up and chill. There, guys, it doesn't really show up on the video that well, but that color is kind of like a copper gold, almost kind of like rose gold, but it's more copper. And I'm just putting that in like the inner corner of my eye and just bringing it out a little bit, but not all the way. So yeah, so in conclusion, the spa was amazing. How much like quiet time did we actually do? I'm pretty sure we were like the loudest ones there. I mean, you get me and my girls together and it's just, you're gonna hear some noise. We're gonna be a little extra. But yeah, it was fun. A lot of girl talk, lots of wine, couple of shots. Yeah, it was good. I had a really good massage by this one girl. Like, she really worked my back. I really needed that. Like, after birth, it was just, ugh, my back has been killing me every single night, just to the point where it's like you kind of get used to the pain. So guys, this is a new concealer that I'm trying out, and I'm using it for contour because it's pretty dark, and it's from It's Cosmetic. I don't remember the shade. I will put that down below too because it's something new that I use. It's not one of my usual things. And there is my big handsome son just walking past. All right, bye, Malik. And yeah, that's it for the face, guys. So I'm back to the eyes, and I'm just putting that same chocolate color underneath, and I'm gonna take that copper part and put it near my lower lash line, but more to my inner tear duct. So the last step that I'm doing here is lining my lips with my Annabelle lip liner. That's my go-to lip liner. The shade is Espresso, I believe. And yeah, I pretty much use that color to line my lips with almost every lipstick or gloss that I use, because I don't know, I just like how it is and how it works on my skin tone. And there is just a new lip gloss I got. I believe it's Ice Princess, I think, from Estate. The brand is Estate. I think the name is Ice Princess, something like that. It'll be in the description, guys. So guys, this is a finished look, and it is bomb. I love it. I hope you guys like it too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed my ramblings and a little bit of my life. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay beautiful, guys. Bye.